I have put together the best PDF ever. When I look at it, I'm like, this is gold for every single video editor that edits in Premiere Pro. This is the combination of all the hacks and tips, hidden ones, the things you don't know even if you use Premiere Pro for years. I have trained over 1,000 people, and these are the things that they really don't know. When I tell them, they're like, oh my God, this changed my life. It's not gonna change your life, but it's going to change your workflow so much. You're going to be even 50% quicker, maybe even more. Every single video editor needs this. You need to print this, and you need to have it next to your table until you memorize it fully. I put so much time to put this PDF together, and it's finally here. And if you don't get it, you are slowing yourself down as a video editor. You can watch 10, 15, 100 free tutorials on YouTube, but this PDF saves you that time and gives you everything handed to you on a golden platter.